welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing the September 2019 Universal Yums Yum Yum box. So for those of you that are not aware, Universal Yums is a monthly snack subscription. They do offer 3 different levels of their subscription. You can get the Yum box for $15 a month, and that usually includes 5 or more snacks. You can get the Yum Yum box for $25 a month, and this usually includes 12 or more snacks. And then you can get the Super Yum box, and that one I believe is $39, and it's supposed to have 20 or more snacks. Now they do also include a fun little booklet with each box that will have some trivia and facts about each country, as well as go over the snacks that are in your box. Now, what is unique I think about this is they select a country every month and all of the snacks are from that country. So it's always really neat to try different snacks from different countries. And one of my favorite parts, if you've been following me, you know, is they do give a clue to the next month's box on that little pamphlet. And that's one thing that I always enjoy, is trying to figure out where we're headed next month. So we will read that when we get to it. Put your guesses down below in the comments so we can see if any of us get it right. Again, thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are, like I said, having an amazing day. Don't forget, we have multiple giveaways going on our channel right now. We have the Boxy Luxe giveaway, where there's quite a few of the items from Boxy Luxe that I'm giving away. That's going through October 13th. And we have the makeup and skincare giveaway with 2 different winners ending the first week of October. So there's lots of giveaways going on, so definitely check them out. But let's get in here and see what we got for September 2019 with Universal Yums and just exactly where we are going. All right, so it says we're going to the birthplace of democracy. So, let's open it up. And we are headed to Greece. I'm kind of excited about this. So every box will have this little paper here on top that obviously tells you where you're going, and then some facts. But also on the back here, you can rate the snacks. You can rate them as best, second best, worst, and weirdest. And you can actually upload this for a chance to win more goodies each month. So that's always fun. So let's see, what is this? Show your trick-or-treaters that trying new foods isn't scary. This is a very tricky treat. Where in the world do you want to eat? Oh, that's interesting. Our first ever Halloween box is here. Give your trick-or-treaters a chance to travel around the world with our limited edition Halloween box. It's very, very fun and very, very different from your October box. So you can apparently purchase it, and that's what it looks like right there. That's interesting. And then we have the pamphlet, like I was saying, so Greece. So it does always, like I said, have like some information about the country. There's trivia, and they do give you the answers, so you're not left wondering. And then it goes into telling us about the goodies that are in our box. But like I said, there's always a clue to the next month. So I always start with that because I look forward to this, because the challenge of trying to figure out where we're headed is always fun for me. So let's see if we can figure it out. Where we're headed next. The symphonies give chills. You can hear them in the opera house, the castles, the hills. But when you taste the yums, the music will be eclipsed by world famous chocolates and punchy red chips. So there it is. You can see, like, I honestly don't I don't have the faintest idea. I don't know why my brain just like stopped, and I have absolutely no idea. So if you have any guess as to where we're headed next month, Again, it says where we're headed next. The symphonies give chills. You can hear them in the opera house, the castles, the hills. But when you taste the yums, the music will be eclipsed by world famous chocolates and punchy red chips. So if you have any idea of where we're headed for October, let me know in the comments down below. So let's get in here and see what we got from Greece. Like I said, I am very curious and I'm kind of excited. So once I got all of that out, this is what I see. So, okay, the first thing right here, I'm good. This sounds amazing. It's bruschettini, if I'm saying that correctly. It says pizza, cheese, tomato, and basil, Italian type bruschetta. And where is this guy? That's the only thing is that this is like to me an Italian, but let's see what it says. Bread crisp with cheese, tomato, and basil seasoning. Sounds fantastic. It says if there's one food that all of Greece can agree on, it's crunchy bread. All right, so it doesn't really explain why, but to me this would be more of like an Italian type thing, but if they're basing it off the fact that a lot of people in Greece enjoy crunchy bread, I could definitely understand with the bruschetta and stuff like that. So, but I'm super excited to try those. I'm sure they will be amazing. And then we have from the same brand, Tatis. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. Oh, oregano. Are these oregano chips? What is it? Says chips and then it says oregano. Tatis chips oregano potato chips. If you end up going gaga over these Greek potato chips, you have one person to thank. I'm not even going to attempt to say this name because I will totally butcher it. He was apparently the first prime minister of Greece. In addition to building schools, preparing the country for democracy, and creating jobs for women, he was also a diehard supporter of the potato. To pair potato chips with oregano. These sound fantastic. These are gonna go into my mom hiding spot. I know I've talked about that before, so let's see. Then we have, this is a big guy. What is this? Hold on. It's a big old, like, it's big. Saurakaki? I'm probably butchering this and I apologize. With cocoa cream, sweet bread with chocolate cream. Sold. The best part of the holidays, the sweets, of course. That couldn't be truer in Greece, where this delectable sweet bread is served on virtually every holiday. I mean, if it's a sweet bread stuffed with chocolate cream, I'm good. That's all. Yes. Greece is like, yes, yes, yes. So we're 3 for 3 with Greece. Let's see, what do we have next? What is this guy? I have no idea. It says soft and I can feel that it is soft. Again, I'm not even going to attempt. Mustakuluro? That's my attempt. Soft wheat cookies with grape must flavor. You often don't use the word musty to describe good things. Usually it refers to an old basement or someone's dirty socks. But we found the exception. These cookies are musty for a reason. They're made with actual grape must. Hold up, what exactly is that? It's a thick mixture containing the freshly pressed juice, skin, seeds, and stems of the grape, usually prepared as the first step in wine crafting. You could say that must is a must for winemaking. Okay, so basically, it's going to be essentially like a grape flavored soft cookie. Sounds good. Then we have Serentina Triplo Hazelnut. Milk chocolate coated hazelnut topped wafer with cream filling. Wouldn't it be cool if this deliciously creamy, chocolately, hazelnutty wafer had healing powers? If you asked an ancient Greek, they'd say it does. According to Socrates, a famous Greek botanist, physician, and author of medical encyclopedia used for thousands of years, hazelnuts didn't just cure nut cravings, they cured a ton of common ailments. A nasty cough. I do not care for like hazelnut creamer, things like that, but when it is an actual hazelnut, I'm good. So this actually sounds really good to me. So we're 5 for 5. Way to go, Grease. And then right here, still on this page, King's Soft Cookie Dark Chocolate Chunks in Passion. Again. Soft chocolate cookie with dark chocolate pieces. I mean, I don't really think I need to read anymore because, I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory and I'm sure it's delicious. So, Grease, you're killing it. Let's go back to this page. And then we have this guy right here, Serenata Finger, milk chocolate coated wafer with cocoa cream filling. Again, yum. What is this? Traditional Greek pastry. Oriental Sergali? That. Syrupy phyllo dough pastry with almonds and walnuts. So this to me is probably a take on like baklava. Would be my guess. Like a prepackaged, made to go baklava. And then we have, what are you? Oh, mini breadsticks, basil pesto flavor. Oh my gosh. Kritsinaki pesto basil pesto breadsticks. Open this bag and you'll instantly notice one thing, the unmistakable scent of basil. That's likely what Alexander the Great noticed too. When he first discovered basil dotting the landscape of his newly conquered territory, the royal plant, yeah, so basil pesto flavored breadsticks. Yeah, all day long. I mean, now don't get me wrong, I like my sweets here and there, but I am definitely more of a savory snack type of person. So stuff like this and the little pizza bruschetta thing and these oregano chips, that's what I probably will reach for before I reach for like this chocolate wafer or something. So let's see, we have one more actual product and then we have our Yum bag, which always has candy. So let's see what this is. Mino's Nut Bars, peanut and honey. Right there. Peanut and honey bar. Can you guess where this peanut and honey candy bar hails from? No, you can't get Can't guess Greece, but nice try. Here's a hint. The real answer is almost as obvious. It's the island of Candy. What? It's actually another name for the island of Crete. Okay. So yeah, it's a peanut and honey bar. So that sounds awesome. I love these. Christopher loves these depending on how hard. That might be too hard for him, but it'll be good. So let's get to our yum bag that always has candy. So I think the only one that I'm a little about is the one that's for, is what I'm thinking is kind of similar to baklava, just because I'm not really a huge fan of baklava. It honestly, to me, kind of lacks some flavor. Maybe I just haven't had good baklava, but otherwise, I think that this was a really good month. But let's see what our candy is. All right, so the first one, we have 4 of these. For jelly, pomegranate jelly. Pomegranate flavored jelly candy. Okay. And then these are like really tiny. We have 4. These little guys right here. Ouzo flavored hard candy. Strong grape brandy. I think I've heard of that, but I don't know what that flavor is. But we got 4 of those. And then we got 4. These guys are right here. And that's what it looks like. And honey flavored chew. So it's a honey toffee. So that is awesome. I think that this was one of the best months for Universal Yums. I just think first of all, there was a really good variety of sweet and savory, but the sweet snacks seem really good. And the savory snacks sound really good. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you get Universal Yums? What did you think? If you don't, I will put a link down below that will save you $5 off your first box. Like I said, they do have the 3 different plans. They have the $15 plan, the $25, and then like $39. And again, let me know your thoughts on where you think we're headed next month. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.